3. Okay, Lyle's going to go ahead and start the R. Careful, sir. We're going to go ahead and fire up the family R. This is a family single owner R John Deere, ladies and gentlemen. The pup motor is on fire right now. That was running this morning. We're just, there we go. Oh, I tell you what. Sound of money. R John Deere. That R John Deere could talk, what a tale to tell. I'm telling you what. Thank you, Lyle. You know, this is kind of a sentimental tractor for the family right here. It's been in this family since day one. And when I was out here to work with Lyle and Karen and got to see this R for the first time back in the building, and he said it was a family tractor, and you can sure tell they